Oakley got a haircut.
My camera is struggling. It got sand in it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Let's do it one more time.
So it takes forever to focus. Step 1, getting the extensions out. Wow, look at that natural, never before seen hair. This is weird. It's not super short, but yeah. Tyler and I went to see Avengers last night, and while we were watching it, I said, my hair is gonna look like somebody's hair in this movie. And I'm pretty sure he thinks that I'm talking about Natasha. But I'm not. Goodbye, old friends. These things were like 7 or 8 months old, and they actually held up super well. They're starting to get a little crispy though. New extensions are the best.
What doing?
Oh, I'm gonna go take a nap. Can't night. You feel like the camera slowly like slid down, or is that how it's always been?
No.
Not. I don't like that angle. Almost all done.
Oakley.
It's a bloodbath. My ears are gonna be pink for a couple days, probably.
Yeah, and when you shower, just make sure to keep it all back.
It's gonna be red. Here come the extensions. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. Beautiful! Will you take a video of me? Yeah. I don't know what to do. How do you model hair? I've only modeled leggings.
You just do like a...
There you go.
Here it is. Lee. Apparently Leo forgot how to YouTube.
Hey, did you even recognize me when I came home?
I am obsessed with it. I actually had red hair a while ago, back when I was in college, but I just box dyed it myself. It was really nothing special. But a lot of people liked it. And a few of my friends told me I should go back to it, so I kinda did. I actually showed my hairdresser this picture and I was like, I would love this. But it was one of those like, it's probably impossible because it's Guy freaking Tang. But she literally nailed it. This color is pretty permanent, but I'm sure it will fade a little bit. Honestly, if it does fade, I wouldn't be that mad because I think it would be really cool looking. Leo and I are gonna go pack Shop Hope scope orders. If you did buy something from the spring collection, thank you so much. And I hope that you love it. And Leo and I will see you guys in the next video. Say bye, YouTube. Hey, it's me again. Just wanted to let you know that I just posted the brand new membership video. It's a little vlog of my Catalina Island vacation, some behind the scenes of the photo shoots that we did. It's a lot of fun. If you're not a channel member and you're on a computer, you just have to hit the little join button down below next to the subscription button. Or if you're on a mobile device, there's a link in the description that you can click to join.